In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Bitcoin wallet address for free. So the first step is to simply open any browser and search Trust Wallet and then click on the first link. Then you're gonna get redirected here. Now, as you can see, if you want, you can download the mobile app or you can download the extension. So I'm gonna do that because I feel more safe doing that on my computer. But if you want, you can use the mobile app. So we're gonna have to click here and then choose our browser. So I'm gonna choose Chrome, then click on add to Chrome and then simply click on add extension. Now we're gonna have to simply wait. And as you can see now, we have this option to create a new wallet. So simply click on that. Now here, we're gonna have to enter our password and then we're gonna have to confirm the password and then simply check the box and then click on next. Now what we're gonna have to do next is simply select here if you want to share data. I'm gonna choose no, and then here I'm gonna click on open wallet. Now we're gonna have to click on OK and then click on OK again. Now basically that's all we have to do. So now if I click on Bitcoin, we can basically send or receive. So if you want to get your Bitcoin address, you're gonna have to click on receive and then click on proceed. Then we're gonna have to select Bitcoin again, and this is our Bitcoin address right now. Now what I suggest to you, so once you create your account, you're gonna have to go back and click on backup your secret phrase now. So we're gonna have to click on show, and here we're gonna have 12 words. So we're gonna have to save this somewhere where it's safe and only you know, because when you try to connect to this wallet on another device, you're gonna get asked about that phrase and you can connect using that phrase. So make sure to keep that safe. But overall, that's all you have to do in order to create a Bitcoin wallet address. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.